Alright, boom, what's up guys? Welcome to a new video after not uploading one for so damn long. Um, just want to say before I even get into anything, I'm sorry that there's probably an audio to gameplay delay because, I'll be honest, I stream on Twitch and there's just a delay. I apologize for it, but just know, like, obviously, stuff's going to be a bit delayed with audio. It's not really much I can do about it, apart from just work with it, basically. So what we're doing today is, as I go over to the settings, there we go, we are doing the big score heist, trying to use only a pistol. The big score is the last GTA heist, which is like, in story mode, that's what I was trying to say. We're going to do it in free aim too, make it a bit harder, why not, and just get into it.
Of your sorry little life.
Do we need to see the cutscenes? Because I'm pretty sure everyone's seen the cutscenes. Man, let's skip the cutscenes. We've seen them before. It's not what it's about. If you haven't, play the game. Okay, I do have pistols. Cool, because I want to use a pistol. Of course, I'll use combat pistol probably. This route we're doing is subtle. So,
hey, so we ain't worked together before. They got experience.
you know, let's
chill the fuck out. Tranquilo, man. They're cool.
They don't look.
Let's see how this goes.
They don't sound cool.
Trevor's a nut, man.
Is one of those things where the perception creates the reality. Ergo, the asshole is not fucking cool.
They're on
Trevor's
board, and there ain't no changing that before we hit the big one. So you better deal with
probably turn
and
that
I
music
thought
off.
you were the only guy I had to keep my eye on.
All right.
These two hate each other so much, bro.
No need to panic.
We weren't panicking. Something wrong?
Nothing's wrong. We just gotta
Trevor's
wait.
definitely panicking,
You
bro.
saying don't panic makes me want to panic.
All right, here we go. This is it.
All right. I see the vans. Rock and roll.
Rock and roll. Seriously?
Trevor's such a
Let's
character,
go.
bro.
Drop the
Such a
stinger.
character.
Now keep driving. They should go over it.
Yep, they're about to hit it. Come on. Boom! Yeah!
Out! Out! Come on! Get out of the
I swear I
vehicle.
drove
Get out
further
of the
away.
vehicle. Let's go.
No, can I swap? I want to use pistol.
You do not
Alright, well, I don't actually have to shoot him anyway, so it should be fine.
Oh shit. Your move, buddy.
For the shooting, we use pistols, innit?
get a fucking move on.
Come on, move. Hurry up. Just
Hello. Oh, I was gonna go first person.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, we got a 1 minute.
Damn, we got fast mechanics in this.
Abnormal.
Then let the slaughter commence.
Who you like? This one.
No. Oh shit. Hey, please, whatever you
Yeah,
need.
no shit. We need you.
No.
What's your name?
Casey.
Casey. Get in the fucking truck.
Let's go. Go. Get in.
Let's go.
Come on. Go. Move.
For welfare.
It's crazy, bro.
Next stop.
Crazy
Union
people,
Depository.
man. Give me the pistol, man.
Shit. Relax, man. I'm the one who should be crapping myself. I'm about to rob the biggest bank on the planet.
Fuck.
Look, Casey. I need you
Bro
calm.
needs to chill. He
You're
is
no
going
use to me when
nuts.
you're freaking the fuck out. What you want to be right
Drift in a sec.
now.
Yeah.
There we go.
Cool.
Cool as a cucumber.
Look at that. Drifting a fucking Brinks truck. That's it. Alright, Bob. Let's end, Bob.
I was expecting you like half minute ago.
Alright, you
There you
flipping.
go. Gets me every time.
Onion 86 in the building.
I can't even think of the right words. Just stop being such a kiss ass.
Eggplant 2
No,
inside.
I'm joking. Okay, yeah, skip this. I can't be bothered to watch in Park. I know you belong in Park. Come on.
And I'm right behind you.
Yeah, I can see you. I got eyes in the back of my head.
Then you see me aiming right between those eyes in the back of your head.
I'm not surprised if Trevor does the amount of crazy crap he does. This guy is low-key crap in it, and he has to keep it together, otherwise he gets his head blown off, basically.
Fine.
I bet the freeway is an absolute B star CH today.
That was a flipping brilliant answer. That was, lad.
And you gentlemen have to sit in those trucks, bored out of your minds, staring at more
Hold
money
on,
than
can I
you
go
know what
first
to do
person?
with. Okay.
No, I can't.
Let's go.
Yeah, we do. Wink, wink. This lift is very botched. Like, I mean, it's got wood panels and teeth everywhere. Doesn't look very safe. But what do I know?
Now, that is some kind of door.
That is a vault.
So,
Wow.
you know what to do.
Uh-huh.
Can we knock him out, please? Bang.
Okay.
Let's get the money.
Gentlemen,
Oh, okay. A job to do.
Absolutely.
Trevor's gone. His mind's gone. He's down the flipping toilet. Whew, that's a nice amount of gold. Look at that. Oh, that's good gold. I don't actually remember how much the total is for this heist,
Lot of gold in here.
but
we're just holding on to it for the Chinese.
Well, you ever want to keep it in
It's a
the United
bit-
States?
it's a
Sure,
lot of
take
money.
what you can carry.
Hey, come on, come on,
Bruh.
come on. We got a schedule.
we are taking what we can carry. Though, do you know? I love how Trevor's the one doing the hard work and Michael's just walking.
Yeah? So what's
Two
that?
tons.
Gold's trading at around 1,700 to 2,000 an ounce. 35 ounces a kilo, give or take. 1,000 kilos
Flippin'
a
heck.
ton. So that's
That's
$200
heavy.
million or thereabouts.
give me a. Yep, that's
200 million.
Got many jobs after this?
No, it's the last
Crazy.
He's retiring.
one. Exploring other opportunities.
Hey, you know, your chance of an early death increases dramatically when you retire.
Yeah, I'll bear that in mind.
Bro is like, I don't know, he's weird himself. The security guy or whatever. But these two are just at each other's
Much
throats.
metal ain't normal.
Trevor and Mike.
Quite irregular. Order came down this morning, but the computer cleared it.
Well, let's hope no one untoward gets word.
Yep. Definitely not us or anything. Why'd you think that? Oh, that's stupid to think. That is
That's
silly.
right. This
Alright,
man
let's
right
go.
here will teach you a little something about moderation.
Thanks.
Moderation or Trevor? I
No.
assume is who they're on about.
Thank you.
No.
Really?
Can I do a burnout? I'm gonna do a dirty burnout. Now watch this, lad. Dirty burnout on the way out. Alright, let's go.
Cool case.
Okay, I can use
Loaded
pistols.
mission row, you go
Nice.
on your way.
Look, you see something? Exactly, didn't think so.
What's
Go
your
on.
situation?
Not good, man. Merriweather know we took the UD.
His front bumper's hanging off.
Shit.
Oh
Okay.
god, oh god. Oh.
What can you do?
We got this signal I had. I can use it to keep you away from them clams.
Oh, the brakes are terrible.
Fuck.
Alright, let's do this hacking
I
thing.
hope you got a solution for this
Traffic
problem.
light thing, I believe. So look,
we own it. Okay.
I hired
Okay,
Ricky
the
because I
link's
don't know,
active.
it'd
Now
be
you
funny
can
in it.
control the traffic lights. Let's go.
The
Hey, we got it. Man, this shit
inexperienced guy, give him a chance. Alright, come on, Frank, you ain't normally meant to do this,
Okay,
but
we
let's
in.
go.
So this connection is like laggy as hell. There's gonna be a delay on your switches.
Like laggy as
Across the junction.
You have to make it harder than you, Ricky, yeah, you little bang kid.
Merriweather
I don't know,
coming from the
making
east, dog.
Okay, I gotta go east here. This one looks good.
It's lagging. It's lagging. All right, there's your change.
Hey, I need you to take a
Ricky's
left
an
here.
idiot.
Hey, I picked up more Merriweather northwest of your position.
Changing. Hold on. Okay, we're good.
Oh my god, that was close.
Now go right at this turn.
They're waving us through. Control, we are stopped.
I messed that one up then. I'm trying to
Now
focus.
I need you to keep going over.
Ricky, why did I hire you? You suck.
I'm trying. Okay,
Suck.
we got it.
Now, this is a right, okay? Shit, Merryweather on the west of the grid.
Absolutely suck. You are awful.
Changing. Okay, there we go.
Yeah, go right at this junction. Hey, they
Okay,
coming
oh
from the
God.
south.
Come on.
Okay, there.
Top shit, more
I
Merryweather.
can't believe we did that with this
Okay,
stupid,
now, home stretch.
stupid hacking.
Give me
Oh,
a
God.
second. Hold on.
We should be through anyway. Shouldn't have to worry about them. Yeah, we're good. Look at those beautiful challenges, man. Like Skittles, but well, apart from grey one. Like Skittles. No, Trevor, not that. Pistols.
Redistribute the weight.
Here they are.
Hey, good work, F.
Damn, I can't believe we got
Bro,
them there.
this guy is... Are we gonna let him go or what?
Get on pace here, huh? The lead ain't
No,
gonna be
please,
wasted.
please don't. No, wait.
Biggest score of our lives, we ain't taking any chances. Sorry, Pally.
Gee.
Well,
It ain't a chance.
please,
He's
please.
in on it. Huh? Get up. Hey, get up. You tell him something that ain't on the news already. This whole thing was your idea.
Yeah, I understand.
Damn.
Onward.
Exactly.
Bro, give him a
I was
gold
shocked.
block and
I
that's...
never thought
I mean,
they'd
that's
go.
one way of doing it.
fucking going and
Surprised he didn't walk into the flipping bridge wall thing then.
Fucking A! Yeah!
Oh, I can't be arsed listening to them two arguing, they're idiots. Alright, give me a pistol. Yeah, we'll use a normal.
The flank's taken care of.
Oh, shh. Ha. Seriously? Alright, we'll redo it. Flip's sake. Oh, that's terrible. Oh man, I'm back here. Oh, Trevor's gonna be really... Actually, maybe I should stick with Trev. He's gonna be stupidly OP. With his angry ability thing. Yeah, maybe I should stick with Trev. He's gonna be ridiculous.
Moving. Just keep those heads back.
Trevor! Wait, can I blow...
Hey, they ain't gonna catch the whip.
I might be able to blow it up. I'm gonna move closer, to be honest. I want to be closer.
Get out. Hey, man, these guys are every fucking where. Hold them down.
Just fuck off already!
Hey, that...
Yeah, Trevor's ability is insane. Oh god.
Hey, they got backup.
Right, back to my position. Okay, I'm gonna switch to Michael, I think, actually.
Private army.
We punch through. We get clear. Come on.
Oh, you can break that environment? Damn. Alright, boom. Got him.
Come on, you asshole!
Taking far too many bullets.
Fucking Merryweather.
Nice. Another one.
Shooting our way up
Gone. There's another one.
out of here.
They're coming on the flank! Look!
That's leaking petrol. I'm trying to blow that open.
Take the side.
Alright, you want to take the sides again? You could take the sides again. Who's in trouble?
Them down.
I really want to throw grenades, but I'm not going to because I feel like that's cheating. So I won't. That slow motion, like shooting, that's cold. So cold.
Holy shit.
If you're gonna kill anyone, kill the fat one!
He's gonna say kill. Kill.
Ah, it was
These two
going
really hate
so
each other.
sweet.
Okay, I'm moving back. Yeah, there's too many. That guy's done. Like so. Like so. This nice. Keep on. Keep on. Bah.
I got this. You should go. Just fuck
Okay, I'll go to the front.
Who else will be fucking this up?
Oh shoot, yeah, I see him. I see him, I see him. Frank, can you be useful? Maybe I should swap to Frank for a sec. Obviously get out the pistol. Okay, we'll just use a normal pistol. Oh yeah, Frank ain't got an ability, I just gotta do this. Of pure skill. Got him. Okay, let's get the guy in there.
Sniper's gone.
There we go.
Just in time for the action to start.
Okay, swap back to Mike now because I would. Oh my god, he's using a fucking AR again. Where is he? There you go.
We punch through. We get clear.
I'm sorry that I suck. I want to blow that up for fun. Come on. Boom. He's done. I'm not even gonna bother. Look at him. Done.
I think that's it.
Pistol
That's
whipped
the
him.
last of them.
Woo! Oh, I was gonna do a dance on the flipping car.
Man, we always getting fucked with.
You, hold the perimeter. Everyone else, in your cars. We leave while we can.
Let's go. Give him the balloon. Give him the balloon. Give him the balloon. Give me the balloon.
Saddlebags a bulging.
Lester's the only guy who can flip metal without making a noise, dipshit. You want to try? Be my guest.
Give me the balloon. Yeah, I think I get the. Oh. Okay, Reg. I like Reg. We're driving through Trevor's flipping estate, basically. Alright, come on. Let's go then! Learn how to drive, you idiots! Yes, I hit the tyre. That's what I was trying to do. Don't know if anyone knows this, but when you use Frank's slow ability and just keep accelerating, look at the speedo now. It makes me go so much faster. I take it off, suddenly I'm flying. Like, I'm doing one. You see what I mean? It's ridiculous. That's one very cool part of his ability. I am a bit behind, but I'll catch up now, don't worry. Oh, a little bit skatey on the back then, boy. Oh god. Okay, it's okay, never mind. Didn't have to get nothing. Man flipped. God damn, whoever's in front of me can drive. Nothing. It's incredible that these two were able to do this magnitude of a heist together while hating each other. Surely I'd pop their tyre. Oh my god! I got whacked by whoever that guy is, my teammate. Oh, that's incredible. That's incredible. Let's go. Pedal to the metal, metal to the pedal. I'm flying. Like, oh, I'm gonna go crazy down this highway now. This guy in the silver car is an annoying ass. Like, serious? You seriously? What a pleb. I want to shoot his tires out. Let's see how fast I can get before we get into this tunnel. That's 100, 110, 20, 30 now. 40, 30. I'm flying! I want to go really fast into the truck. I'm just going to fly into it. Oh, it won't let me, damn it! Alright, well come on, let me catch up. I got it. I'm just a bit dumb. There we go, got it. And just like that, where'd they go? It's like we Houdini or something. We're magicians. Bye. Have a great time. Oh, we have to try the mic. I'll cut this out for you guys so you don't have to watch it. And I'll show when we get there because I want to see what they say for the final cutscene because I honestly don't remember.
We're just leaving.
So I'll show you when we get there. Jump out. We're here.
Gentlemen,
Lester.
we have just made history.
Don't give Lester
I don't
bougie
want to ask
or
a dumb
nothing.
question here, but where's the metal?
I've got it on lockdown for a few days while I'm waiting for the go-ahead to melt it and move it.
Where?
Where? Exactly. Where is just the point. Let's say somebody gets pinched. Well, then where is the evidence? Or if anyone gets any silly ideas, then they'll just be futile.
So we can take it easy, knowing that it's gonna be a few days before Judas here shows his true colors.
Really? Now?
Yeah, now, sugar.
Why don't you take a moment
See.
while you're sitting on that big fat pile of cash to chill the fuck out and realize what's done is done?
Whatever you say.
Well, this is a good time.
That's
This
his
fucking
fault.
fuck you, man.
Hey! For a couple of Midwest stick-up artists, you guys sure have become a pair of...
Esco.
Oh, nothing. I love it here. Everyone's so numbed by the sun that if you use a 3-syllable word, they think you're a professor.
Man, fuck you.
Yeah, fuck you, you high and mighty weasel. And you don't talk down them to these fucking idiots.
Hey, leave Lester alone.
Oh, you and Lester together? Oh, now that makes fucking sense.
Oh, for fuck's sake, man. You all an asshole. Man, I gotta go calm down, homie. This shit was real illuminating.
Franklin, sorry. Come on back, have a beer or something.
Fucking really likes Franklin. That is a fuck. Oh, what a cutscene. What was the money then? They don't get 20 million each. Lester's a greedy bugger. So is the crew. There's some money. Casey, the guy, got 300k. That's not bad. That ain't bad. That really ain't bad. Alright, guys, if you liked that video, something a little fun, simple. Yeah. Please like, subscribe. And yeah. Peace.